In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download the new Max app on your Samsung TV. All right, these will be the step-by-step instructions on how to do that. The Max app used to be the HBO Max, and they pretty much just changed the name by taking out the HBO, and now they just call it Max. So the first thing you want to do is get your remote control and push the home button right here in the middle. Your remote may look a little bit different. Your actual menu on the screen will probably look a little bit different if you have a newer model. But the only thing different is they changed the colors on the base or the bottom side here. So mine's got like a white color. I know some of the newer ones are more of a darker color. But what you want to do is you're going to go over all the way to the left, and you're going to go to where that magnifying glass is, and it says search. You'll click on that. It'll bring up this menu here, and then you'll just go ahead and type in the word Max. And once you get it typed in there, you'll see it come up at the top and start showing some movies that have the title Max in there. But you're gonna wanna go to that icon right there that says Max and that says videos at the blue icon. Click on that, and then it'll bring you to this screen here, which says to install it. And then you'll just go ahead and click on install. And depending on how fast your connection is, it will be on how it'll download. Now it says up on the top right corner, apps, install, open, or close it. But we're actually gonna go ahead and close it because I want you guys to do one more step. Here in the middle, you're gonna go to add to home. And down at the bottom right corner, you'll see how it's moving up and down. You'll just take and put that app wherever you want it to be. So I'm gonna put mine right here at the end, just past Discovery Plus, and then put it there. That way, whenever you launch your home menu in the bottom, your Max icon will be there and you won't have to go searching for it. So that's how you get it on the home menu. If you do wanna delete that, you'll push down and you can go right there to remove on it. Or if you wanna move it, maybe put it closer to the front of your apps, you can move it that way. But that's how you get it. And then once you wanna get it launched, you just click on it and it says Max loading. And right there's the home page. Okay, well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one.